this video, we're going to talk about how you can find your card number on Bank of America. So this is very easy to do. All we need to do is go to the Bank of America online website, and we will have to log in with our account information here. So if we click on enroll, we can log in with our Bank of America account. Now, after we have logged in into the Bank of America app or online website, we will need to download one of our statements. So I will leave this link as a pinned comment, so you can go here and you will be able to find a list of all of your bank statements. Now, if we download any of the bank statements here, we can select the time frame for which we want to be able to see the statements. But if we download any of these statements here, you will be able to see your card number on the statement as long as you have used it to pay or receive money. And that's basically how you do it. I hope this helps you out. Leave a like and sub, and I'll see you next time.